Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we will see how to join a Windows Server 2025 workgroup machine to our domain controller on Windows Server 2025. So let's move to the server and get started. So now we are on our server. If we go and check our device name, that is my DC, and it is a domain controller, the first domain controller we have created. So we want to join a computer to this domain. So if we go and check with the NS lookup first, you can see the address is 192.168.2.180 and the default server is techijack.local. If we go and check with the network connection, you can see here the status, and if we go to the details, you can see the DNS server is pointing to 2.180, it itself the computer IP. We have to join the new machine to this domain. So let me do a remote control to the new machine. This is a machine with the IP 2.191, and if we see the name, you can see it is my host 01 is the name, and if we see here, right now it is in a work group. And if we check with the NS lookup here, you can see the default server is unknown. So we have to first set the DNS IP here so that it can pick our DNS server. So let me do that. We will go to the network connection. We have 3 network connection here. If we see here, the DNS IP is going to the router. So we have to change it and we have to make it as 2.180. So let me do that. Here we will change it to the 180. We'll click on OK, click on yes, OK, and close it. Now if we check the NS lookup, you can see the default server is mydc01.techijack.local and the IP is 2.180. So now we can join this machine to the domain. So let me close this, and here you can click on this change. Instead of workgroup, select the domain and we will type the domain name as techijack.local. So once you put the domain name and just click on OK, it will ask for the credential. So let me put the credential of domain admin and password and click on OK. You can see it says welcome to techijack.local domain. Click on OK and it will ask to restart the machine. After restart, I will just try to log in it again. Now we are logged in. Let me close this. And if we check the CMD, who am I? You can see the Techi Jack administrator, that is a domain administrator. And if we go and check with the computer properties, here in the domain or work group, you can see it is in a member of domain, that is techijack.local. This computer has been successfully joined to the domain, that is techijack.local. Also here we can see the full device name, my host 01 techijack.local. So this machine has been joined to the domain techijack.local successfully. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.